when I used to be a roofer for 3 years only, sell materials after that, before that for 50 years. I remember when I get to a metal shop, I was incredible, disorganized. There were no customer oriented at all. You get there, they do the piece for you. You have to come in 2-3 days if they may have ready. They don't. They was doing their own roofing. We want to change all that. We want to be for the customer, for you guys, so make your life easier that way. We don't install, we don't do roof. We fabricate, we manufacture, is what we do. We try to provide faster service. Anyone that has a crew with the rain almost there and they have to do a scalper, for example, and they remember at that moment that they have to do it, we have a lot of cases. They run to our shop, they wait, we do it for them. Just this year we buy 2 more machines, so we are even faster than before. We provide it's rush service. If you want to wait for it, maybe you pay a little tiny more, but I think it's very available for anyone who wants it. People usually they do it. More accurate details on custom metal fabrication. We can get there and we have a smells you want to provide you for any drawing that you need to convince your customer of what you're going to do. We can do that. We also can make exactly what you want, to the tiny inch, the 1/8, whatever you need exactly. We provide on-site fabrication, and this is for metal roofing. I'm going to explain you after how this works. Faster turnaround on quotes. We are trying to work that very hard. Every day we have more quotes, and we are trying to do it 1 day, 2 days at the most. Sometimes what delays a quote is the measure. They measure when they get to us, the way that is done on the paper. Sometimes wrong completely, the roof doesn't one measure with the other one. You will say this side has 30 feet, and right here you see 32. That's something that is not going to, with metal you have to have it 2 inches. That will delay also plans, drawings. Sometimes the architects, what they're saying is not right. Smelly, we have a discussing about architects all the time, and he's an architect, so they think he's not gonna be architect anymore. But that's not the most of the case. Sometimes the architects they write something completely wrong. That's why yesterday there were a few architects here that we tried to get to understand how to work. Knowledge of local codes and design. What kind of code you have? What kind of gauge metal you have to use? What kind of pressure you need? All those questions you can ask us. When you put a cupping cap, the face of the cupping cap is depending on the faces, the gauge you're going to use. You have to use clips where you have to put your screws. All that we can help you with that. This is the product category. We do metal roofing is our main thing. Edging, 3x3, super stuff, 4x5, flashings, cupping caps. Any metal that you want to bend it. As you see in the back of your catalog here, anything that you design, you put it here, you send it by fax, you put what kind of metal you want, and we provide you with a price immediately. We do that there. Drainage, scalpers, overflow, collector heads, downspouts, we produce all that, and we have it in stock. Gutters, we have gutters there, we sell gutters, but I always say that we are not a gutter company. We do gutters for the roofers. A lot of roofers are including now in their contracts the gutter. So we can provide for that too. Custom metal, any kind of repair that you need where you have a panel that you want to do the same panel.